You gave Stripe away?
Yeah, in retrospect, it wasn't a very fair trade. But, I got this legendary fidget at least.
That's not a fidget, Tweek. It's a dildo.
Are you /J or SRS?
/SRS.
Well, how are we gonna get Stripe back?
Calm down. I have a plan.
Gah!
It's showtime. Kyle, do you have any information on the whereabouts of Eric Cartman?
How would I know? I hate that fat asshole. I got a question for you, detectives. How come all my fidgets are missing, huh? I bet Cartman had something to do with that.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Pavlovsky. We'll let you know when we get to the bottom of this. What do you guys know about the missing fidgets?
We don't know anything about your stupid fidgets. Fidgets are for brainwashed conformists.
They're clean.
Did you see anything sus the night of Stripe's disappearance?
Actually, I did. I saw that big fat kid lugging around a big trash bag. I didn't think much of it, since there's always weird shit happening around here.
Butters! Where's Cartman? Oh, geez, I don't know, fellers. Yes, you do! Now spill the beans! Okay. He's hiding out in his lair, at his house.
Oh, should have checked there first. Thank you for your time, Apple Blue. I can't wait till I get my hands on that bitch-ass guinea pig snatcher.
What's this?
This is Ike's transgender Among Us puppet.
Cartman, I know you're down here.
Whoa.
Hello, boys.